How to hide active now activity status on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your active now status on Instagram so others won't see when you are online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile page, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to settings and privacy. And here, once you are in this section, simply scroll down and tap on option labeled as messages and story replies. Now here in this section, simply find the option labeled as show activity status. And if it is toggled on, simply toggle it off. And once you turn off your activity status, you won't be able to see when others are online either. So keep that in mind before making these changes. And that's it. That's how you can hide active now activity status on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.